Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to mass comment and like on Instagram posts. So this is my software. You can see first, we have the account management. Here you can add and manage unlimited number of Instagram accounts. And I will log into this account. There you can see it will also open the browser like this. And it starts logging into my account. When you're managing multiple Instagram accounts, you will need to attach a proxy. So each account will have a different IP. Next, to auto-comment and like on any post that you want on Instagram, we will go to viral marketing. And I will choose seeding post. We will set up from top to bottom. First, number of threads is the number of accounts running at the same time. Here is the number of posts that each account will comment and like. And this is a break interval time between two actions. Next, I will enter the article link here. If you have many articles, then each link is a line. Okay, I will set up like this and then I will choose the action that I want. You can like, you can watch the video, and you can comment to post the comment content. You will enter like this, each content per line. Okay, after everything is set up, I will choose the account. Then I press start, and then we let the software work. There, it starts opening the browser and logging into Instagram. It will comment with the script that I set up. It will go into the post and start commenting on it. Okay, you can watch the whole process working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The details are pinned below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to Chung's Social Tools channel.